Ooh. Uh, hey guys, this is Tickets and Tokens here. My name's Chris, back with another video. If you guys are new around here, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We talk about market, stocks, and crypto. We looking at Meta's earnings right now, and oh, it was awful, man. Looking at $1.64 earnings per share versus 189 expected. Oof. Oh, that's a big miss. What's that, like a 10-15% miss almost? Oh man. that's that's rough. That's 10%. Yeah, that's a 15% miss almost. Oh no, that came right off Google's earnings yesterday too. That just rough. They were theirs was down, like earnings per share was down about 20% too, man. These interest rates are just really killing growth stocks, man. Just oh, I mean, just look at this. Yeah, their daily active users were about the same. 1.98 billion versus 1.98 billion expected. Monthly active was actually a little bit higher. They're picking up a lot of users on Instagram Reels. They're actually putting up good competition to TikTok, but TikTok is biting back. TikTok is just really popular. If y'all yeah ain't on there, I ain't on there, but you might see me on there one day if I'm feeling brave enough. An old man like me shouldn't be on there. If you guys have been watching my old videos, you've probably seen that I shaved my face. So yeah, I'm like, hey, this guy's talking about he's old. He looks like he's like 15 years old. No, man, I just had to go and shave it up right quick. Had to go clean it up for y'all so y'all can actually see who you're talking to and who you're listening to. Meta's operating margin, our profits left after accounting for costs of running business, sank from 20% from 36% a year earlier. Man, this is the big one right here. Overall net income was down 52%. Their income is down 52%. 52. Let that sink in. 52%. Man, that's rough, dude. That just showing it said after hours it fell to 108. It actually fell all the way down to 104. We got a lot of people calling for it to break below 100 tomorrow. Ugh, man. But keep in mind too that this week's not over, y'all. We still got plenty of earnings coming up. Matter of fact, we still got Apple's and Amazon's coming up, and I had it pulled up here. So the expectations for Amazon is they're going to have earnings of 21 cents per share. So very low EPS. I think that might have been adjusted given the fact of how bad Meta and Google have been this week. That might have been adjusted down. And they're expecting revenues of 127 billion, which is I think they're expecting the same thing that the other two reported, which is growing revenues but overall lower earnings. So yeah, you seen Google's growth was down. It was up like 41%. Last year it was revenues grew 41%. This year was only 6%, man, single digits. I even seen their operating margin. They usually boast at least like a 30% operating margin. It was 25 this time, 25%, which is rare. That's a rare moment for Google. And man, the economy is just getting rough, man. It's getting rough out here. Oh man, all these people begging and begging for Jerome Powell to cut these interest rates, man. We're just gonna have to see how the next CPI comes out to see if we see any meaningful change on the data and see if inflation is actually going to crack below 8% finally. I'm starting to think it might, because I have noticed the prices seem to be at least stagnating, if not like cooling off. I've seen a few things come down, especially groceries and stuff. They seem to be at least chilling out. But again, Powell's ultimate goal is 2% inflation, so we'll have to wait and see how that goes. But Apple, we're looking at $1.27 per share. They're expecting revenues of $88 billion, which is that's not a lot of revenue for Apple, to be being honest. So they're really pricing in bad earnings. So if it falls below the already bad expected earnings, y'all just be ready for some real pain in the markets tomorrow. And Apple's been holding up a lot better than most of the other stocks in the market right now. Year to date, Google's down like 35% or so, I believe. Meta's down Meta's down like 60-70% at time of recording. So it'd be probably down even more tomorrow. I think you can say the same for Microsoft. It's down around that 30% mark, give or take. Apple's down 15% on the year, give or take. So if Apple comes out bad tomorrow, it's gonna be nasty. I think we can see Apple get knocked down to I think it's trading for like 120 right now. I think it can get knocked down to 100. It's gonna be down there with Meta. It's gonna be in the gulag, man. I'll tell you what though. When you get these big red days, big fear days like this, man, it's good idea to go ahead and keep your eye on the stock and go ahead and see what opportunities you can find if you get what I'm at. Because I've been seeing a lot of people really bearish, man. A lot of people are just are just pricing in the death of the stock market right now, man. They're acting like there's never going to be a good time to buy stocks ever again. So don't ever buy a stock. Don't ever touch stocks ever again. Especially on Twitter, man. I'm getting all kind of shit on Twitter, man. But just ignore it, man. And if you really believe in these stocks long term, you already know what to do. I ain't even got to tell you. You already know what to do. Why you even got to ask me? You ain't asking me. Go ahead and do what you want to do. None of this financial advice anyway. Do what you want to do. I'm just here to give you some information and just ramble and just tell you what I'm doing. But you can do what you want to do. You got me. You still got you still got Mark Zuckerberg blowing money on the metaverse. Giant middle finger. This one right here, see that? That's a middle finger right there. He's pointing all of his fingers up, man. He's all in. He's not just pointing the middle finger. They're all there. This dude is so goofy looking, though. He's a good CEO, though. Facebook warned that Reality Labs' metaverse business will lose even more money in 2023. This year, the company's on track to burn through more than $10 billion. You sure you want to do that, dog? I mean, I get it, man. It's a play for the future. You're not gonna see returns on the whole Meta thing tomorrow or next year even. It's gonna be a thing that they're gonna build out over time. And people just Wall Street's never understood the Facebook business model, man. They just don't get the whole integration of social media into advertising and how to attract people and brands to your service and all that, man. They've always just kind of discounted Facebook, man, until they actually blew up. They've discounted Meta. They're going to discount the metaverse too until it blows up. Mark has never been good at pricing in growth or technology and real true innovation. It's just one of them things you just got to keep in mind when you're looking at stocks like this. Like you see it down massively, but it's not to be unexpected. It really right in line at what everybody's expecting, really. And Mark Zuckerberg is telling you himself, man. He's like, hey, we're probably gonna lose even more money next year because they're investing in the company, And I don't mean like share buybacks like you're seeing all these other companies do. I mean, like they're actually investing in something. Like they're not just the shares are down, let's buy some more to keep the price inflated so we don't lose more and more money. No, they're actually like, hey, let's build out something. Let's do something that all these other companies aren't doing because we believe there's something here for the future. We're going to take advantage of it. And I like that mindset. I have that same mindset. So this stock just feels like it's a good fit for me. Again, y'all do what y'all want to do. I'm going to do what I'm going to do. But I'll be looking to get this stock pretty low. I'm thinking in the price range of definitely below 100 because I definitely think it's going to go below 100. If I can get it down there, I'd like to pick up more Meta at like 80, 75 a share if I can. Man, I ain't gonna say it's gonna get down there because that is in this bear market though, I'd say anything's possible, man. I'd say it's anything. It's all fair game, man. There's no price that's irrational, man. There was no irrational price in the last bull market. There's no irrational price in this bear market either. It's all going to come down to those Amazon and Apple earnings tomorrow, though. Those are going to be big market movers one way or the other. And if I'm being honest with you, I'm expecting some pain. Sorry to all my Apple and Amazon holders out there, man. I'm just gonna have to hold the bag with me. We all hold bags out here. It's all right. Bag's getting a little heavier, but that's it. It's getting a little heavier now, and it's gonna be really heavy later. It's gonna be real heavy in about 5 or 10 years now. It's gonna have a lot of money in it. So that's the way I look at it. But again, you want to watch for even if let's keep this in mind too, guys. Even if these stocks do beat their expectations tomorrow, which again I'm not 100% sure of, and if they do beat them, we're still talking about the earnings targets were pretty set low to begin with. You know what I'm saying? That Apple was set to like what 88 billion in revenue. Man, that's nothing for Apple. 127 billion for Amazon. That's low, especially off the quarters they had in the last 2 years, man. So the market's already pricing in bad earnings. I just want everybody to understand that. But it really just comes down to that earnings per share too. That's what you're seeing a lot of these stocks getting hit on. The strength of the dollar. Dollar's getting stronger every month or so with these interest rates, y'all. So just keep your head up. Keep your eye on these earnings because it's going to be a big mover. If you're feeling super bearish, maybe get you some put options. Not financial advice, but I've been seeing a lot of people who are bears out there. Put your money where your mouth is, man. If you're that bearish, go ahead and buy some puts, man. Because I'm long term, I'm a bull. I'm bullish on the market long term. I'm never going to bet against the U.S. economy. We are the best economy in the world. Sorry, sorry to all my Europeans. Anybody's watching this from another country, man. But it is what it is. And all these American stocks, man, are going to be the best ones going forward. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to come talk to you guys and give you an overall picture of what to look forward to tomorrow. I think it's still going to be a pretty rough day in the market. Either way, even if these earnings come out okay, I think just the overall shock value of Google and Meta's earnings are just it's just hard to get over that. The market's going to be, especially if Jerome Powell hits us with another 75 in this November meeting in the next couple days, November 2nd, I believe. Yeah, it's gonna be a rough period for the market, y'all. I do think we're getting close to the bottom, though. If I'm being honest, this is right around the time you're starting to see retail capitulate, and you're starting to see like smart money's moving into certain assets they feel is destroy, like small caps and mid caps. Man, the bottom's coming, y'all. It's gonna be here in a few months. I feel like I'm not gonna try to time the bottom. I'm a DCA all the way. DCA all the way. If y'all out there, y'all know what the DCA life is, man. But just that's the strategy I'm gonna stick with. DCA. I believe the bottom's coming soon, next couple months, but don't hold me to that. I'll probably be proven wrong. I'm pretty good at being proven wrong by the stock market, so that's why I don't try to guess it. Anyways, guys, this has been Tickers and Tokens. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video, and I'd look to come back to you with another one here soon. I try to put out a video every day the best I can. It's hard to balance with scheduling work and YouTube and trying to get your exercise in, man. It's a busy schedule. Yeah, you can find me on Twitter too if you're new here. You can find me at Twitter at Chris Mike Duncan. That's Chris Mike Duncan. You'll see it the same picture, same tag, Tickers and Tokens. That's me. And just give me a holler. I'll talk to y'all on there. I'll talk to anybody on there. All right, guys. This has been Tickers and Tokens. Chris Duncan. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.